Good morning, student. Today again we are going to start with the chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Now again we are going to study the methods of separation. Now today we are going to study about the method of separation of two miscible liquids. Miscible means जो आपस में mix हो जाते हैं. Miscible liquids, that is distillation method we are going to study. Now distillation involves conversion of liquid into vapors by heating followed by condensation of vapor that produced by cooling. Now this method, let us go further. This method is used for separating the mixture of two miscible liquids and boiling the mixture and cooling and condensing the vapors. Now first of all, what is simple distillation? Now distillation is also of two types, simple distillation and fractional distillation. So let us study first simple distillation. Now, what is simple distillation? It is used for separating the mixture of two miscible liquid. Miscible which mix with each other. Liquids having sufficient difference in their boiling point or which have difference in their boiling point around 30 to 50 Kelvin. Okay, or more than 25 Kelvin. It is given in NCERT book more than 25 Kelvin. Okay, so that method is known as simple distillation, right? So what is the basic principle? The separation of liquid mixture into individual components can be achieved at their respective boiling point. The more volatile component distills over first, while the less volatile components distills over afterwards. Now, what happens actually in this method of separation? I'll show you with the help of figure. See, this is the figure. Now, this is the distillation flask. This one. Can you see in the figure? This one. This is the distillation flask. Now, in this distillation flask, what we will take? We will take the mixture of acetone and water. Right? Below it, this is the Bunsen burner. Right? And above the distillation flask, a thermometer is put above it. On the side of distillation flask, a condenser is being connected. What is the function of this condenser? इस condenser में एक तरफ तो cold. This is the condenser. Condenser में एक तरफ तो cold water की inlet होती है. This side, this one is the, और एक तरफ water की outlet होती है. तो यहाँ से from this side, यहाँ से there goes the cold water and from this side hot waters come out, right? Now what happens when we take the mixture of acetone and water and it is heated in this apparatus? Now we know that acetone has low boiling point, so it start boiling. Okay, now its vapor, it start rising here and it goes here to the distillation flask first. And when these vapors, they go in the distillation flask, can you see the distillation flask? से कंडेंसर में जा रहे हैं, they are going to the condenser. Can you see a small pipe in between the condenser, this line, this one? अब इस बीच वाली पाइप में वेपर्स जाएंगे, ठीक है? ये बाहर वाली जो पाइप है इसमें पानी है, ये बाहर वाली में पानी है, बीच वाली पाइप के अंदर वेपर्स हैं. तो बाहर वाली पाइप जिसमें पानी है, ये वाली पाइप क्या करेगी? बीच वाली पाइप में जिसमें वेपर हैं उससे हीट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगी. ओके, जो बीच वाली पाइप में वेपर्स हैं, इन वेपर से हीट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगी बाहर वाली पाइप जिसमें पानी है. तो एक तरफ से जो गर्म ठंडा पानी जा रहा है वो तो वेपर से हीट ले लेगा और गर्म पानी बाहर जाता जाएगा. तो इस तरह से ये वेपर्स जल्दी से कूल और हो जाएंगे, कंडेंस होके पानी में यहाँ पे चेंज हो जाएंगे, लिक्विफाई हो जाएंगे. समझ आ गई सबको? सो इन दिस वे the acetone vapor, they start rising, they go in the condenser से they go in the middle pipe, and middle pipe में these vapors, they are fastly cool and condensed with the help of water and they changes into liquid and goes inside the beaker. Is it clear? Okay, and then the remaining one inside the beaker is the water. Okay, in this way the acetone and water, they are being separated. So this method, now you should know what is the boiling point of acetone. Acetone has a boiling point of 329 Kelvin. How much? 329 Kelvin. It is 329 Kelvin, remember it. Okay, and water, you know. So in this way the acetone and water, they are being separated. So this method of separation is the simple distillation method, and this method is used for the separation of two liquids